What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a brand new restocking video. I am super excited for this one. We have a pretty big restock this week and I think out of like all of my restock, this one has like the most variety of types of slime. So I'm really excited to show you all what we have today. Of course, the slime that you are watching is the queen of the unicorn slime shop, my bestseller, Chanel #2. She is a very thick and glossy, bubblicious bubblegum scented slime. Very great and holdable because she is so thick and she doesn't really melt. So this one's really good. And yeah, the bubblicious scent is just really good. It's not like a regular bubblegum scent. It smells like a fresh pack of bubblicious. Now, if Chanel is the queen of the unicorn slime shop, Baja Blast is definitely the king of the unicorn slime shop because this one is my second bestseller. It is a icy / cloud slime hybrid, so you get the drizzles, but it's also really cool because it looks just like an icy slime and kind of feels like it too. This one is scented like Baja Blast, so just think of like a Mountain Dew scent mixed with a blue raspberry scent. It is really, really good, and this one is definitely a fan favorite as well, so you should try to snatch. Unicorn Taffy is a new slime this week. This one, it has a thick and glossy base and it's scented just like taffy and like mixed berries, and it smells really, really good. The scent is so mouth-watering, just saying. This is also very, very crunchy, so if you like texture and you like crunch with your slime with a thick and glossy base, you should definitely try to snatch this one. I really, really love it, and I think you will as well. Trix Yogurt is a dual colored slime. The pink side is scented like strawberry and the yellow side is scented like banana, and it smells super, super good. This one here is a thick and glossy slime. It is the same texture for both of the colors. It is inspired by the strawberry banana blast, I believe it's what it's called, or strawberry banana bash. I'm not too sure, but it is an actual flavor of Trix Yogurt. I really, really love this slime so much, and when you mix it together, the color, it just creates like a peachy kind of orange color, and it's very, very cute, and the scent is amazing. birthday cake Oreo is coming back this week as well. You all seem to love it, so as long as you love it, I'm going to keep on bringing it back. This one is a really thick and glossy base, surprise, surprise. It's scented like birthday cake Oreos, and it has those rainbow foam beads added for crunch and for texture. Now, you will notice there are no black glitters in here to represent the crushed up Oreo pieces. I actually forgot to add them, and I didn't even notice that I forgot until I had already packaged them and they were sealed, so we can't really do anything about it now. But what we are going to do is we're going to let you decide. So we are going to give you a pack of black glitter to add into it if you would like to. So you get to choose if you want to keep it pure like this, or if you want to add the black sprinkles to represent the crushed up Oreos. Unicorn Tears is another personal favorite of mine. You all seem to love it as well when I restocked it last week, so I decided to go ahead and bring it back. This one is a clear base slime with a bunch of iridescent glitters in it. There are also some unicorn skin glitters as well that are showing in there, and a little bit of fishbowl beads just to add texture, and just because I feel like they look like little raindrops or even like teardrops, so that's why I decided to add those in. This one's just really, really nice. It is a really cool, thick, clear slime that is also stretchy, so it's just the best of both worlds when it comes to a clear slime. I am equally obsessed with this slime as I am the Unicorn Tears slime because I have not stocked a full foam in such a long time. It's very rare that I do a full foam because I make such big batches of slime. I literally need like a bunch of foam beads, but I had them in stock, so I decided to go ahead and do a full foam for you all. This one here is called Confetti Crispy Treats, and I really, really love this one. It's scented like Rice Krispie Treats, okay? And it is packed full of white foam beads, and there are also some rainbow foam beads sprinkled in there as well to act as the confetti. I just really love it. First of all, the base is super, super soft, so it keeps all of those foam beads in, and it just sticks to it perfectly, but it doesn't stick to your hand. It's just amazing. I really, really love it, and if you really like textured slimes, then you should definitely snatch this one. Also because it's a very rare occurrence. I don't have any more foam beads. I need to purchase them, and you should try to snatch this one if you like it. The next slime we have is actually called Big Red, and it is inspired by a soda that is really popular here in San Antonio. Actually, I'm surprised I haven't done this slime earlier. There's actually a festival even for this soda. It's crazy. People really love it. Anyways, this one here is an icy slime, and it's scented just like Big Red soda is flavored. So just think of cream soda mixed with orange and lemon notes as well. It is really, really good. If you didn't know that about Big Red, it is actually a cream soda with orange and lemon. A lot of people think it's bubblegum, but it's actually not. I did the research on it, and it's actually those flavors. So that is what it's scented like. It actually smells very similar. I wouldn't say it's like spot on, but it's definitely very similar. And I really like it. It is an icy slime, so it's very creamy, very sizzly. It has the incense note in there for texture, and it's really good. This next slime is called Trinas Pop Rocks. It's actually part of a slime collab that I'm doing with my friend Trina from Trix Slime. So we are actually going to be giving away this slime as well as a slime that she made. She actually made a slime called Unicorn Milk in honor of the collab as well. So you should definitely go ahead and check that out on Instagram. We are giving away these two slimes. We're giving away a gallon of glue and a $20 Amazon gift card. It's like a mini giveaway just to kind of celebrate the collab. Basically, for my slime, it's called Trinas Pop Rocks. It is scented like blue raspberry and fluffy pink candy. It's really good. It's a microfloam. I decided to go with the microfloam because Trina is like the queen of microfloam, so I wanted to try one, and it's really good, y'all. It also has that blue and silver like confetti glitter that's on top, almost like unicorn skin, and it's just so cute when you mix it together. It's purple and the scents go so well together. I really love it. Unicorn popcorn is a really cool chewed up bubblegum slime texture, which I have not stocked in a long time as well. This one is also a rare occurrence, so you can try to snatch it if you like this texture. This one has some rainbow marshmallow beads in there as well, which are really cool. They don't even dye the slime whatsoever, so it's awesome. I love this one. It is super, super crunchy. As you can hear in the video, it's scented like cake batter ice cream and hot buttered popcorn. It might sound weird, but it actually goes well together. It almost smells like cake batter popcorn. It's really good. I think it's definitely fit for a unicorn, so you should try to snatch. Mud Mask is back by popular demand as well. I think I made this around 2 or 3 restocks ago. It is a buttercream textured slime, so just think of like a butter slime and a cloud cream mixed together. They basically had children. This is what it would feel like. It's very smooth, very creamy and buttery, yet it's just amazing and sizzly. It's just the best of both worlds, honestly. This one is scented like green tea and lemon, and it seems to be a fan favorite. I know that Christina Danks from Illuminati Slime really loves this one, so y'all need to try to snatch it before she does. And last but not least, we have Cherry Blossom. This one is Japanese Cherry Blossom scented, and it's a really nice half-flown type of slime. It has a thick and glossy base, which is the majority of the slime. There are very few foam beads in there. They're just added in for texture, but we have some large pink foam beads and then some small red foam beads just to kind of represent the Japanese Cherry Blossom flower. And it's really nice. I actually am really obsessed with this slime and the scent. It smells so, so good, and you should try to get this one for sure. Alrighty, well that is pretty much it for this restock video. I really hope you all enjoyed it and found something that you would like to purchase. Honestly, this was probably like my favorite restock that I've done in such a long time just because of the variety. There's a lot of different textures and I love that. Thank you all so much for watching. I love you all very freaking much and I will see you all next time. Bye!